Hey, this is Randy.
And this is Julia.
SantaFeFord.com, where we have hundreds of cars, trucks, and SUVs to choose from. I want you to stay tuned right now. Julia's going to give us a closer look at one of our vehicles.
This vehicle is a 2017 Lincoln MKC. This vehicle comes equipped with alloy wheels, solar tinted windows, a rear spoiler, roof rails, remote keyless entry, remote start, and a digital keypad door lock. For more information, give us a call at the number below or visit us at our website, www.santafeford.com. And now we'll take a look at the interior. The interior of this Lincoln is black leather, and both the driver and passenger seat are powered. A quick look into the back seat shows there's plenty of room for passengers, and the back seats do fold down for extra storage space in the cargo area. The interior of this Lincoln is equipped with powered locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as a memory save setting for your steering wheel, seat, and mirror position. Located on the dashboard, you'll be able to find a digital compass. Your steering wheel is equipped with Bluetooth and media functions, as well as cruise control settings. This vehicle is a push to start. And here's a look at the gear shift. And the media center is equipped with a large touchscreen that has AM and FM radio, Sirius satellite radio capabilities, a CD player, Bluetooth functions, an outside temperature display, and this is also where you'll be able to find your backup camera. Just below your media center, you have your climate control center. It is dual action for both the driver and passenger, and both the front seats are heated. And just below that, you have your USB ports here in this storage console. And we'll take a look at the rest of the interior. Taking a look at the cargo space of this vehicle, you can see there's plenty of room for storage, and there's even some extra storage compartments back here. And again, the back seats do fold down so that there can be extra space. And located under the hood, you'll find a 2-liter i4 engine. For more information on this specific vehicle, be sure to visit us at SantaFeFord.com or give us a call at the number below. My name is Julia, and thanks for watching.